Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Docs. Notion is a powerful, all-in-one workspace, perfect for managing projects, building knowledge bases, and organizing personal tasks. It offers incredible flexibility with its block-based system. Google Docs, on the other hand, is a dedicated word processor, excelling at creating and editing traditional documents. Both tools provide excellent real-time collaboration, letting teams work together seamlessly. But their core strengths and approaches differ significantly, catering to distinct user needs. Notion truly shines with its unique block-based editor, enabling you to combine text, images, databases, and more on a single page, creating highly customized layouts. Its integrated databases are fantastic for project management and tracking. Google Docs, however, offers unparalleled word processing capabilities, with advanced formatting, robust revision history, and excellent commenting features. It's the go-to for traditional document creation and integrates effortlessly with the broader Google ecosystem, making it a familiar choice for many. When it comes to collaboration, both Notion and Google Docs excel with real-time co-editing and commenting features. Google Docs offers incredibly simple sharing, often just a link, and its integration with Google Drive makes access straightforward. Notion provides more granular control over permissions, allowing you to define specific access levels for individual pages or entire databases. While powerful, this can sometimes make sharing slightly more complex, especially within larger, interconnected workspaces, requiring careful management of access rights. So which one is right for you? Notion is perfect if you need an all-in-one solution for project management, building a company wiki, or organizing your entire life. Its flexibility and database power are unmatched for complex systems. Google Docs, conversely, is the champion for traditional document creation, collaborative writing, and straightforward text editing. If you primarily need a powerful word processor with easy sharing and a familiar interface, Google Docs is likely your best fit. Choose based on your primary needs and workflow complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.